Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, today I got a really exciting video for you guys, because in this video I'll be showing you how to unblock your smartphone from PTA. So last night my smartphone got blocked because I didn't pay the tax, and the tax on this smartphone, the Galaxy S21 FE, is just insane. It's almost like 60 to 70,000 rupees, or it's equivalent to like the value of this smartphone, about 30 to 40% of the value of the smartphone when it was new. I think paying that much tax is kind of insane, especially if you are just on vacation. So basically the thing I ended up doing was I basically shift the SIM from SIM 1 slot to SIM 2 slot, and it's working again. So basically all the smartphones with two different SIM card slots, like SIM 1 and SIM 2, have two different IMEI numbers. So basically when you will have your SIM card in SIM 1 slot, so your IMEI number of SIM 1 is going to get blocked after 2 months. So basically if you shift to the SIM 2, you are going to get another around 2 months of time, which is great, because altogether you are looking at almost 120 days or like 4 months, which is kind of good time frame, to be honest. So after 4 months or after another 2 months, I will see another hack which I will do to unblock my smartphone, but now it's working completely fine. Last night it was saying that it's not registered on the network. I couldn't make any calls, nor I could use the network, but now it's working perfectly fine. All I had to do is just shift the SIM from SIM 1 to SIM 2. If your SIM card is already in SIM 2, all you have to do is just shift into SIM 1, and it should be working again. And most of the videos on YouTube were like not that informative, because they were basically showing how to pay the tax, but no one was showing how to unblock your smartphone without paying the tax. So since I found out this hack and it's working perfectly, so I decided to share with you guys, and you can basically try it for yourself. And most new smartphones, or Samsung or Huawei or all these Vivo smartphones, do have two SIM slots, so it shouldn't be a problem. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.